I strictly don't believe that India is a place for women today, because there are many places where women are not getting a chance to come out of that nutshell and get their rights which are actually for them.
I had a change of opinion. I started off with the opinion that India is a safe place for women. It changed by the end of this discussion, because what I realized from that is that we may paint a rosy picture in urban India and India shining, but when we come down to basic examples, India is not a great place to stay for women, but that gives us a platform to understand that, look, there is a problem. We need to work towards it, and that will not happen before there's a ground reality and an awareness to that.
Personally, I was against the motion. I believe that there are immense opportunities for women in India, and especially with new media coming in and technology infusing our lives. I feel there's a lot of voice for women. I hope people around the world, people in India, people in the echelons of power do realize this, take it as an example, and do something really positive towards the state of women in the country.
Personally speaking, when I was against the motion, because I feel that India has too many opportunities and has a huge potential in terms of when we talk about economic development, when we talk about the progress seen from what it was previously. However, it deteriorated from its very sense of land where women was worshipped.
My opinion was that just India is a place for women, it always has been. And even after that, even debate, it did not change. I believe in so. Say there is a challenge, and if women's exit India is not a solution to it, the way you approach a challenge is first accept it. And I have seen, at least in this broad sample, there is acceptance, and other is to face it together. And one way we could do is that the distinction should not only be between men and women, but between the culprits and the one who want to make a positive change.
To build the nation more women-friendly, or I would say human-friendly, because when we say women-friendly, it will bring us to the point that it should not be men-friendly. So if it is human-friendly, it is equal for both. And let's talk about equality here.
The outsider, I would like to pass a message to the woman. Get out of your fears, keep your fears aside, and let's fight for our rights. That's what Outsider is here for.
Sahara India Parivar presents The Outsider, Saturday 8 p.m. on Bloomberg TV India.